your educational learning versus real-world experiences. What you learn in school is nits. It's like lines drawn by a ruler, whereas in real world that is different. It's a tangled mess of those same lines, and universities are not an exception. Success means recognizing patterns within a chaos. Education gives you different kind of tools or even a toolbox, but how you're going to use each of those tools is different things. If you don't have experience, you're not going to understand which kind of tools, when, and how you have to use it. And it's just going to happen when you gain enough experience. Experts just don't memorize. They see through the noise and they connect the right lines to each other to create a pattern. Be smart. Try to spot the patterns where the others cannot do that. If you want to create a better understanding about marketing skills and secrets, follow my next videos.